Hello everyone, this is lesson video number 4. In this lesson, we'll be going over the concept of basic rhythm. Music is propelled forward by the rhythm, the movement of music in time. First of all, what is music? Music is a rational organization of sounds and silences passing through the time. Music is made of two components, sound and silences. Sounds can be made up of short and long tones. We use musical symbols called notes to indicate two things, the pitch and duration. The rhythm refers to the duration. Every note tells us the duration of each tone or pitch, and the combination of short and long tones is called rhythm. Each note is made up of a certain number of beats. Then, what is a beat? A perfect example of the beat is beating of a heart. It is the regular pulsation, the unit of length in musical time. It is a measuring tool that we use to organize the duration of each rhythmic note. In this lesson, we'll learn 4 rhythmic notes. First, here is the quarter note, which is a tone that is held for 1 beat. A quarter note is 1 beat. So you can count in your head 1 as you play the quarter note on the piano. 1, 1, 1, 1. Quarter, 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 quarter. The next note we'll learn is the half note. The half note is 2 beats long, or the same length as 2 quarter notes. You can think of rhythm as a basic math. 2 quarter note beats equal 1 half note. In your head, you should count 1, 2 as you play the half note on the piano. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Half note, half note, half note. We also have the dotted half note, which is 3 beats. The dotted half note will be written in your music as a half note with a dot next to it, directly to the right. Adding a dot to any note will add half of that note's value to the note itself. It's a basic math. So, since 2 quarter note beats make up a half note, if we divide the half note in 2, we get 1 beat. Then the dot of the dotted half note will be equal to 1 beat. And when we add 1 beat to a half note, we get 3 beats total. Hope this makes sense to you. So count in your head 1, 2, 3 for the dotted half note. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Half note, dot, half note, dot, half note, dot. The last note we'll learn today is the whole note. The whole note is 4 beats long. 2 half notes equal 1 whole note, or 4 quarter notes equal 1 whole note. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 in your head as you play the note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In music, we'll hear the regularly organized pattern, groupings of the beat into groups of 2, 3, or 4. These organizing patterns are called meters or metrical patterns, which I'll talk more about in next chapter. In notation, they are marked off in measures. So let's take a look at some examples from page 8. The first example has 2 measures. We use this vertical line called bar line as a divider between the measures. They both have groups of 4 beats. Measure 1, quarter, quarter, half note. 1, 1, 1, 2. Total of 4 beats. Second measure, half note, quarter, quarter. 2 beats, 1 plus 1 equals 4. Please make a note that we use a double bar to end a piece. Double bar is used to indicate the end of a piece. So whenever you see a double bar, it means the piece ended. All these exercises that we have on page 8 is quite simple. As you can see, each example has only 2 bars. Bar 1, bar 2, double bar, finished. Measure 1, measure 2, finished. Example 3, measure 1, 2, finished. Let's work on this together now. I have some practice suggestions for you as you explore rhythm on the piano with these 3 examples. First, I want you to clap and count rhythms and keep a steady beat. Ready for clapping and count the rhythm. Like this. First example, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Easy. You may say the rhythmic notes, what it is. Like this. Quarter, quarter, half note, quarter, quarter. Make sure you keep the accurate rhythm, the duration for each rhythmic notes. The second example, I'm going to clap and count the rhythms aloud and keep a very steady beat. Half note, quarter, quarter, half note, half note. Done. You may do this way. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Example 3, you got 2 half notes, then 4 quarter notes. I'm going to clap and count the rhythm again. Let me use the words. Half note, quarter, 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 quarter. I want you to practice playing the rhythms now with your hands, okay? Use the middle section of the keyboard using the indicated keys and the finger numbers from your exercises. For example, let's use key C. So I'm going to go ahead and find my C with finger number 2. So I'm going to use my right hand. You may use right or left. Doesn't matter. Here's my right hand, finger number 2 on C. So I'm going to use middle C to play this first example. Here we go. Quarter, quarter, half note, quarter, quarter. See how easy that is? The second example, they want letter A. So let's go ahead and find your letter A with finger number 3, okay? So the middle A that we see is this one. I'm going to put my finger number 3 from my left hand and play this rhythm. Are we ready? Okay, here we go. Let's play and count the rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Finished. Example 3, they want letter D to be used. And with finger number 1. I'm going to put my finger 1, my right thumb, on D and play this rhythm. Ready? Half note, quarter, 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 quarter. Again, you have 2 options of speaking or saying. You may say count the number, the count, or you may say the name of the rhythmic notes, either as a quarter or half note. As you can see, all these examples only have quarter note and half notes in it for each measure. So we talked about how to look at the measure. We talked about bar lines and double bar lines, and also show you many different ways of practicing the rhythm from page 8. So I hope you spend some time learning the basic rhythm and practice playing these rhythmic exercises on your piano. I'll see you soon in next video.